Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Udemy app on your Android smartphone. So if you are confused and you can't tell which is the right Udemy app to install, then follow these steps to get the right app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to my channel. Alright, so for you to get this Udemy app, you'll need to find this app called Play Store on your Android smartphone. So I'll go ahead and tap on it. And here we can now search for our app by name. But before you search, make sure you are logged in with your Gmail account. So if you are not signed in, you should see a sign in option here, sign in with your Gmail. And now we can see we have a search bar here. Go ahead and search the app by name. However, if this search bar is not available, then you should see a search icon on the bottom right. Tap on it to enable the search option. I'll go ahead and type Udemy like this. And then to search, I'll tap on the search icon here. Now you can see we have our Udemy app here. If I tap on it, this is the current logo for Udemy. And to know that you have the right app, make sure it is from Udemy. This is the company that made this app. Now, other key details are like reviews and the star rating. And at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.8 with over 470,000 reviews. And this app has over 10 million downloads. Currently, the average file size is 21 MBs. Now, by the time you are watching this, these details might have changed, so put in consideration of that. Now, with this, you have the right app. Go ahead and tap on install, and this will download the latest version of Udemy online courses app and install it on your Android smartphone. From this, now tap on open, or if you go back to your apps, so let me open my apps. Now here you can see we have our Udemy app. From this, I'll proceed and open it, and this is the welcoming interface for the Udemy app. Now you can either start browsing directly or sign in to your account. So that's how you can install the right Udemy app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.